Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make butter pepper sweet corn. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Melt and keep ready a teaspoon of unsalted butter. You can either keep it in room temperature for 2 hours or microwave it for 10 seconds. To this add 4 tablespoons of boiled sweet corn kernels. I already made a video on how to boil sweet corn and how to remove the corn kernels. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Then to this add quarter teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt in case you added salted butter. Then to this add quarter teaspoon of pepper powder and quarter teaspoon of chaat masala. Finally add few drops of lemon juice and mix it really well. Sweet corn has high fiber content and it aids to digestion. It can decrease the risk of heart disease, strokes, type 2 diabetics and bowel cancer. Now our butter pepper sweet corn is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. A very healthy and easy snack for kids, so do try this butter pepper sweet corn recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.